Everybody is looking for a healthier life. Start yours with us. Like, comment, and subscribe for your journey to wellness. Let's embrace nature's wisdom together. Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into why ginger is the ultimate superfood. If you're a health enthusiast like me, you're always on the lookout for natural ways to boost your well-being. Let's get started. First off, did you know ginger is fantastic for digestion? It contains compounds called gingerols and shogols. These help stimulate saliva, bile, and gastric juices, aiding in digestion and preventing that uncomfortable bloating. Plus, it can even help with nausea. Ginger tea, anyone? But that's not all. Ginger is a powerhouse when it comes to fighting inflammation. Those same gingerols act as potent anti-inflammatories, which can help reduce muscle pain and soreness. Perfect after a tough workout, right? And let's talk about antioxidants. Ginger is loaded with them. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which is linked to aging and chronic diseases. Including ginger in your diet can give your immune system a serious boost. Oh, and if you're looking to manage weight, ginger might just be your new best friend. It enhances thermogenesis, which is the process of your body burning calories to generate heat. In simple terms, it can help you burn more calories. How cool is that? But wait, there's more. Ginger has been shown to improve brain function and protect against Alzheimer's disease. The antioxidants and bioactive compounds in ginger can inhibit inflammatory responses in the brain. So, adding a bit of ginger to your daily routine could be a game changer for your mental clarity and memory. So there you have it. Ginger isn't just a spice, it's a superfood with incredible benefits for your digestion, inflammation, antioxidant levels, weight management, and brain health. Next time you're at the grocery store, grab some fresh ginger and start incorporating it into your meals. Your body will thank you. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time. Before you go, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Your support means the world to me. Thanks for watching. See you next time.